Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread pakora. First, gather your ingredients including gram flour, various spices, and fresh bread slices. Next, in a mixing bowl, combine the gram flour with water and your chosen spices like turmeric, red chili powder, and salt. Whisk this mixture thoroughly until you achieve a smooth, thick batter without any lumps. This consistent texture is crucial for coating your bread perfectly. Now let's prepare the delicious filling. Boil and mash some potatoes, then mix them with spices such as cumin powder, coriander powder, and a touch of garam masala. Take 2 slices of bread and spread a generous layer of this flavorful potato mixture evenly on one slice, then cover it with the second slice. Gently press them together. Finally, cut the filled bread into your preferred shapes, typically triangles or squares. It's time to fry our pakoras to golden perfection. Heat cooking oil in a deep pan to a medium-high temperature, ideally around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully take each filled and cut bread piece and dip it completely into the gram flour batter, ensuring it's fully coated. Gently place the coated bread into the hot oil. Fry them until they turn a beautiful golden brown and become wonderfully crispy, turning them occasionally for even cooking. Once your bread pakoras are perfectly fried, it's time to serve them. They are best enjoyed hot, accompanied by your favorite mint chutney, tamarind chutney, or even a simple tomato ketchup. For an extra touch of freshness and visual appeal, garnish them with some freshly chopped coriander leaves. They make a fantastic snack or appetizer. And speaking of staying refreshed, remember to keep yourself hydrated throughout the day. Check the description below for a link to a great water bottle and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.